Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our weekly roundup of the hottest tech deals. This week has been buzzing with discounts and offers across various gadgets and gear. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. First up, we have some exciting news from Apple. With new iPad announcements expected next Tuesday, it's a smart move to hold off on purchasing one just yet. Keep an eye out for how these announcements might impact pricing on older models. Moving on to smartwatches, we've spotted some fantastic deals on flagship models. Whether you're Team Samsung, Apple, or Google, now's the time to grab a bargain on the Galaxy Watch 6, Apple Watch Series 9, or Google Pixel 2. Need to keep your devices juiced up on the go? Look no further than these Anker power banks. Our favorite USB-C nano battery is currently at its lowest price yet, so don't miss out on this essential accessory. Calling all gamers! We've uncovered discounts on top gaming gear, including one of our favorite gaming mice and the ultimate dual-screen gaming laptop. Upgrade your setup without breaking the bank. And that's a wrap for this week's Tech Deals Roundup. Which deal caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with your fellow tech-savvy friends. Until next time, happy shopping! Goodbye, thanks for tuning in. See you next week for more tech bargains.